Hi guys, here we are at Barnby Lane level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now, Oscar just finished us off, and Claypole, what's she up to? Oh, actually, I think that's Oscar still up. No, that's his camera. Green. So we've got two greens. We're in for a triple stay here, guys. And according to Andrew, this crossing's being shut down because too many freight stop on the crossing or something. Right. Time is 11:11 on Friday the 31st of October 2014, and this is for our 11:13 1 Delta 09 East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. We're in for a triple stay. And our 1 hour for 22, 11:10 East Coast service from Leeds London King's Cross, expect pass 11:14. And our 1 hour for 61, 11:14 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. So we're on time on that one. But where's our trains? That's the trouble and the question. Here we go, we've got a 43 from this way and a 91 from this way. We've got 43, 257, 43, 299, and where's our 91? Here she is, we've got